Okay, it's almost back to school time in Florida. The back to school sales tax holiday starts tomorrow morning, and that's one way to save money. And shopping at thrift stores, of course, as you know, is another way, because you don't have to go high dollar to go high fashion. And Jennifer Lugo is with Goodwill Industries, and she's back again this year talking about ways to get your children trendy back-to-school styles at bargain prices. Good morning. Good to see you again.
Good morning. You too.
It's always fun to have these because, you know, they're reasonable prices. And I also want to mention that the sales tax holiday is also good at your store and other thrift
Absolutely
stores. Yeah,
right.
that's
Friday,
awesome.
Saturday, and Sunday.
Awesome.
Yep.
All right, we have 3 models. Let's start.
Okay, we're going to start with Camden.
Hi, Camden.
Camden is going into 4th grade, and he is sporting a Ralph Lauren shirt that we got at Goodwill in Oldsmar for $2.
$2 for a Ralph Lauren shirt.
Jeans that really look brand new, and they were also just $2. And his boots, also were from the Oldsmar Goodwill, were $4.
So that whole outfit is $8.
$8.
That's amazing.
And he looks great.
Yes, you do. Camden, good luck in the 4th grade. Boy, pretty soon he'll be in 5th grade.
Yes.
You know what that means. All right, just getting up there in age. Lanyards are big things because kids like to wear keys, or if they're a latchkey kid or whatever,
right.
or
they need their ID badge, or right.
And for sparkles, or you can't go wrong with them. All right, who's our second model?
Our second model is Lindsay.
Hi, Lindsay.
She's going into 1st grade. We got her dress also at the Oldsmar Goodwill for just $2, and it fits her perfectly. And her shoes were $3, and her backpack is one of our new items.
Can you show us your backpack? Awesome.
There you go.
Nice, Paris.
And I believe that was $6 at the Goodwill.
I think there's a new tag on that.
There is.
Backpack.
It is a new item. It's one of our new items.
So you do have new items, not necessarily, they're not all used.
Right.
So
her dress was donated, but the backpack is new.
Alrighty. And you gotta have socks. I know that the trend these days are the more colorful and bold and just fun socks.
Right. I
So
just
you gotta
brought a
have
few
socks.
things so you can see what
These
new
are
items we have.
$3 for 3 pairs. And, you know, all sorts of girly things as well. All right, who's our last model?
Okay, next is Dawson.
Hi, Dawson.
Is going into 1st grade. He is head to toe decked out in Goodwill items. His shirt was $2, shorts $2, shoes $4, and his backpack is one of our new items that we sell for $8. And even his sunglasses are from Goodwill.
So his whole outfit is from Goodwill, and under
it's about $16
$20
altogether.
Yeah. Can you show us your backpack? Can you turn around a little bit so we can see your backpack? Let's see the back of it. Yeah, that's it.
Go.
Awesome. Brand new as well. Hey, he's going to look cool, you know?
He does look cool.
And you have coupons this weekend.
You can find them in the newspaper, or you can print them out on our website, goodwillsunpost.org, and get 25% off it per transaction.
Per transaction. There's a little hint right there. Okay?
So
let's see the models one more time. Good luck and study hard in school this year. It'll be here before you know it, and it'll be over before you know it, too. Thanks very much, children.